Okay, I have recently, just now in fact, set up a new Binance account. And the next step that we need to do after setting up the account is go to the Security tab. And as you can see, my security is 0 out of 4, so we need to enable the 2FA, and we do that by going initially to here and selecting phone verification. Right, now first of all you need to get the code to your email. Now this code is valid for about 30 minutes, so this gives you the time to go to your email. Go to your inbox, select the code 917580, 917580, and go to your country code. Put in your mobile number, ask for a code to be sent. There it is. That code is 464759, 464759, and if we submit that, and once that completes, you'll be returned to the security screen, and you'll notice that you have enabled 2FA and your security level is now 1. Now it's also advisable to set up the Google Authenticator. So Google Authenticator is available from the App Store or from Google Play. And all you need to do that is download the app, go to Next, scan the code in with your camera, so you can make a note of the code or take a screenshot, and it will ask you to get a code again. 560933. And get the code from the Google Authenticator. Zero 51654, and the code is that one 769 887. And hopefully that's it, and we're done. So we now have Google Authenticator working on this account, and we have the email and SMS verification working on the account as well for added security. And that's what you need to do to enable 2FA.